So take out this question is somewhat different, no issues about this. So consider the real valued source they are given, and all the samples are independent they said, and they are distributed random variables, and then with the PDF probability density function, and they are given a graph. Is it right? Simply listen me. So first I just write quantization. Okay. So what is the quantization of a noise power? Because they mainly think about the noise power. So I just write a quantization of a noise power, and I can write QNP, quantization noise power, with respect to some probability, which is equal to expectation. Okay, you know the formula, expectation of x minus alpha the whole square. Okay, and that should be equal to, what I say means, look at this graph. What is the graph represents? You are having from two ranges, -2 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, so the formula, let's write x minus alpha the whole cube divided by 3. You know that why I written 3 means you just add 1 minus of minus 2 is 3. So it does 3 and divided by 3. Okay, and that should be into 1 divided by 2. What is meaning of 1 divided by 2 means? So this complete portion is 1 by 2. It is not given in the question. Okay, and I can make it from 0 to 1, because now I consider this portion. In this one is 1 by 2. Okay, likewise I just consider. And now if I have to differentiate everything, so that means what, first I write 1 divided by 6, because 2 into 3 6 into 1 minus alpha the whole cube minus of minus alpha the whole cube. Okay, so after substitution, what you do, you will get the answer as 1 by 6 into 1 plus, you know the formula, a plus b the whole square, or a minus b the whole square. Likewise you just separate. Okay, after separation you will get 3 alpha square, and then afterwards minus 3 alpha. Okay, now just make a rubber and do the rubber things. It's very good for you. There is not a plus, actually it is a minus. So plus 3 alpha square, and then after they go for minus 3 alpha. Now I'm going to differentiate. So I'm going to differentiate this. So if I differentiate means what I get. So that means for differentiation of QNP to the base P D divided by D alpha. In terms of alpha I'm differentiating. So I'll get 0 plus 6 alpha minus 3. Because 1 by 6 is going to be 0. Is it right? Because 1 if I differentiate 0 constant. So 3 alpha square if I differentiate means 6 into alpha. Minus 3 alpha means minus 3. Okay. So automatically if you equate it to 0 means 1 by 6 becomes 0. So alpha value will be equal to 3 by 6. So that is 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay. So that is equal to 0.5 also you can do consider. Now what I do, I'm going for the next one. So what is the next one is 0 to minus 2. Is it right? Now I'm just going to write 0 to minus 2. So that is equal to, so that means what I can write a QNP of n, that's equal to exponential of x minus alpha. I'm just write beta because I already written alpha, right? Beta. Okay. So here what is the whole square? I just write here what, which is equal to integral minus 2 to 0. There just get a differentiation, but just after differentiation just got a 0 to 1, and into what I have x minus beta the whole square into two things you have to consider. Okay, so here 1 by 2 is it right? So this ramp you can just consider, if something is 1 by 2, the next ramp for the same person is 1 by 4. Usually it is 1 by 2 only because it is going 2 steps, because 0 to 1 means 1 by 2. Suppose 0 to minus 1 means 1 by 2, but 0 to minus 2 is right? So 1 by 2 divided by 2, so that is 1 by 4. Okay, so you have just write 1 by 4 into x, and afterwards you have to add one more 1 by 2 because this gap is it right? So this gap 1 by 2 you have to add, so it make it as dx. So it should be equal to 1 by 4 into 0, it should be equal to, right, 0 to minus 2 to 0, because you have to go from this side, right, minus 2 to 0. So what you can have the x minus beta the whole square into x dx, because I'm just simplifying everything, and then afterwards a plus 1 divided by 2 into minus 2 to 0. You can have x minus beta square, so that means whole square into dx. So I'm just telling you, you just solve everything. After solving, the final step you will get 1 by 4 into, that means for integrate and grouping all the common terms, like this you solve. Okay, minus 4 minus 2 beta square, and minus 16 divided by 3 beta, and you can have one more term as 1 by 2 and into 8 by 3 plus 2 beta square, and afterwards 4 beta. Okay, now after this, like this the previous one I just differentiated, right? So here also I'm going to differentiate. So here I just write d by db, d beta. Okay, there I just get d by d alpha, right? Or d by d beta of what? QNP. With respect to, if I differentiate, means what I get the answer as 4 beta minus 16 divided by 3 plus, oh here it's plus 2 beta, and then afterwards plus 4 is equal to 0. So automatically if I simplify, means I'll get the beta as minus 2 by 3. So you know alpha is 1 by 2, so that, so here beta is minus 2 by 3. So that's equal to minus 0.667. So what we do, we have to do the next one, alpha star beta is equal to 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 into, yes, mainly have to just consider. So 0.5, sorry, that's not alpha minus beta. Okay, 0.5 minus of, here is into minus 0 point, so 0 point, okay, 0.667. so if you do so, you'll get the final answer. It will be approximately is equal to 1 point, equal to, yes, 1.167, and that your right answer. So 1.167. So final answer could be 1.162, 1.169. Okay, in this range you can write any value, that's okay. So this is the answer. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box. Thank you.